Hello all, welcome to my channel Home Gupshup and welcome to yet another beautiful and happy day. How have you all been doing? It's been going wonderfully well for me, and I say so because I feel super blessed and thankful for this day, which is today. I often wonder when taking a walk in the mornings about how life seems so calm, beautiful and fresh during the wee hours of the day, especially in summers. The morning hours are cooler and calmer, but as the day progresses, we all get tired. Dust starts settling. A lot of thoughts fill our minds, and endless number of activities make the rest of the day quite busy.
You're by yourself, I'm by myself. Wish I could solve your problems. They're stuck on my wall like neon paintings, and I'm so tired of being honest to everyone by myself. I do it so well. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. We gave it so many chances. When we saw the signs, we just kept dancing, and the nights always seemed so endless. Thought it would last, now it's in the past. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying.
I got you, you got me. We are two lucky. Emily, your name spells home. Since the day you were born, you have always known when I need you the most.
You know, I had jotted down a long bucket list of things to do for the coming years. This was back in 2019. Just like me, I'm sure a lot of you had plans for the future years as well. Come year 2021, and we are still here. Maybe we have the funds and the resources to tick off things from the same bucket list, but unfortunately, the current situation restricts us all.
I see you, you see me. Same mother, different dads, but we're just as happy. Remember when you were 5, every day by my side. Oh, oh, my best friend God sent, my own good fortune. You know you are.
Should we have waited this long after all? Waited to travel, to maybe have kids, to join yoga classes, or even to meet up with friends. Waited for that time when we all would get the time. Things we can do presently should be done in the present. Making the time perfect for those things is in our hands. Waiting for the time to become perfect is rather an unreasonable demand to make from the relentless, unstoppable, and constantly moving chakra of time.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven.
I decided to not let go of this precious gift I have, the gift called today, and enjoy the little things in life. The pandemic situation today is in our favor in the sense that it has presented us all with a lot more time with our loved ones. So let us all look for that one thing which we feel time has presented in our favor and utilize that to its fullest potential.
Now what doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice, we should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel